Hi, it's Annie Lou. How are you? Look at what I got in the mail today. The Walmart Beauty Box. You know, when they tell you it's been shipped, your box has been shipped to you, you get it really fast. I have been looking online to see if anyone else posted their video. So I'm going to show this, I'm going to edit, and I'm going to send it out. So let's take a peek. Okay, so the front of the box says Nivea on it. Winter's coming, and I know that Nivea has a lot of skincare products. Don't know what's in here. Can't get it open. Here we go. Alright, it says embrace your beauty. Rate and review this fall's products and it gives you an address, and you can enter to win a $100 gift card. I would sure like a $100 gift card to Walmart. I think that would be great. Alright, let's see. Looks pretty full. Looks like a lot of these things, you know, really. Okay, so this is a Cefenel, I think that's how you say it. Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. Hydrates for 24 hours. If there's one thing that everyone needs, it's eye gel or an eye cream. Very important. Very important to put it on during the day. More important, that's a little tough, more important to put it on at night when you go to sleep, because when you sleep, that is when everything repairs itself. Cefenel Cleansing Bar. I don't know why they have Nivea on the front when everything in here is Cefenel. Alright, this is for dry, sensitive skin. It has no scent. Oh boy, just a little bit of a paper here. Naturally beautiful hair. I don't know if they gave us any in here. Okay, you know, they've given us this before and it's been in a different size. A long, thin tube, and this is it says fluoride free whitening toothpaste with charcoal. So it's black and it's from Hello. And I actually like this, and I don't mind getting the samples of the toothpaste. Okay, so look, there's a mascara. Great Lash. It's not a full size, but it's a good size. So when I go to open this up, when it's time for me to open it up and use it, I will put a sticker on here with the date that I started, so I know. And after 3 months, I will change out. Conditions as it thickens. You know, you would think they would give you a coupon. Alright, here's something. Nivea 48 hours soothing moisture. You know, there's hardly any in here. I don't like these, Walmart. What is the matter with you? And don't forget to make time for your skin. So this is from Cefenel. And how about a coupon? Kleenex wet wipes, 1 wipe. Really? And they have sent us this before. I don't know if it was in this box or a different box, like maybe Target, where at least I remember getting, you know, I think it was at least 5, if not more. Okay, another Nivea thing. No sample. A black charcoal bubble sheet mask. Well, that's nice. Okay. And I know that we've gotten these before in a box. I'm not sure if it's Walmart or something else. And what is this? This is from Biore. And it is I don't know how to say this. A micellar? Micellar. You know, it's one of those cleansing waters. And it is charcoal, so it's black. I have a little bit of a problem using black stuff. Has no smell. Well, actually, it's a very, very, very light floral smell. So I will give this a try tonight. It says no need to rinse. And a flyer for the Hello toothpaste. And then we did get a flyer for these Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo. I've been a little disappointed with Walmart box lately, and I think the last one was really bad. This is like fair to pour. Sorry, it's just the way it is. So thank you for joining me. I mean, there was $5 worth of product in here, and it's fun to get a box. It's like getting a Christmas present or a birthday present once a month. Well, these come out quarterly, and it's automatic enrollment, so you go in and enroll, and you get them automatically. So you take care. Thank you for stopping by.